Let me ask you a question. Have you ever attempted to translate something using Google Translate? Are you aware of what Google Translate accomplishes? To be honest, you may be unaware that Google Translate has the potential to earn a lot of money. I'll teach you in this video how to earn $30 every 30 seconds by following the steps that I'll show. So for today, I'd like to introduce you to Google Translate and 3 other websites that will compensate you for translation efforts. This service is completely free and will only take up about less than 30 seconds of your time. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and you can earn up to $200 for doing so. Your mobile phone or computer as well as an internet connection are all that you need. As a bonus, you don't need any special skills or training to get started. You don't need to be an expert to get started right away and make tons of money. Even a complete novice can do this right away and earn a substantial amount of money. Getting the same results each time is not guaranteed. You may make more, the same, or even less. And if you don't follow the exact methods outlined in this video, you won't be able to achieve good results. So make sure to stay with me for the whole duration of this video. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Now, first things first, let's proceed to Google Translate. Simply type that in to your search box of your browser. Google Translate is a free tool provided by Google that immediately translates words, phrases, and web pages between English and more than 100 different languages in real time. Many organizations pay high amounts for translating even without the need for you to know various languages. You can simply just type it into Google Translate and it will be translated for you. The first platform that I'll show you is the website called HireSign.com. HireSign links tens of thousands of freelancers and those who need help with various projects. Those who have basic computer abilities are encouraged to join the company's online workforce. They have employed more than 200,000 people and served more than 15,000 clients. In addition, they completed 380,000 projects. When you look at the website's homepage, you'll notice that it offers typing jobs, paid survey jobs, and proofreading jobs, just to name a few. However, what we will be focusing on is the language translating job since it's very much close to using Google Translate. Now, I'd like you to move your cursor over the current openings tab, which can be found on the upper right-hand side of the website's homepage. It will display the various career opportunities available through HireSign. Afterwards, I'd like you to select the language translator option, which will take you to a new page with instructions on how to become a virtual language translator. Depending on the size and type of your work, you can expect to earn an average of $10 to $30 per page or 1,200 words for your translation job. Literally, all you need to use is Google Translate to translate one page for a fee of $30. This is going to take you just 1 second. It is that simple. For $30 per page, you can do as much as you want. To apply for this position, click on the Apply to be a virtual language translator button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your online job application. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the hiring process before submitting an application. Once you have gained an understanding of the hiring process, you can proceed to filling out the application form that has been provided. Following the company's review of your application, you will be required to complete a sample work project, which you must finish within a specified time period and submit via a link or email to the company's website. After successfully completing and passing all of the following hiring process, you will be asked to make yourself available for a live interview. Then, if the interview panel determines that you are a good fit for the position for which you applied for, you will be receiving a call letter from one of their partner employers. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The second platform that I'll show you is the website called Aclaro.com. Aclaro is a global localization and translation services company that assists the world's best brands in achieving success in different cultural contexts. When it comes to expertly adapting brands, products, and services to new language markets, Aclaro is the best in the business. Aclaro offers freelance jobs that allow users to benefit from Google Translate while also earning money. I'd like you to click on the three-line button that can be found on the upper left side of the page in order to see the many jobs available. And then select the translator job option, and this will take you to a new page that has a list of available freelance job openings. You may choose to apply for a position that has caught your interest. Now click on Apply Now and fill out the application form that has been provided for you if you have discovered a position you are interested in. You must fill out the form with your contact information and attach your resume and cover letter to your application. As a linguist, you will also be asked some preliminary questions that you must respond to. Following that, you will be able to submit your application form. If HireSign and Aclaro do not work out for you, you don't have to worry about anything at all. The following website includes thousands of translation jobs that pay a range of prices, and you can apply for any of them. The third platform that I'll introduce to you is the website called Upwork.com. Independent professionals and agencies from all over the world are connected to businesses through Upwork. Using Upwork online platform, clients may conduct interviews, hire and collaborate with freelancers and freelance agencies. In order to discover a freelance job that best meets your needs on Upwork, you must first select the Find Work option from the menu bar at the top of the page, and then select the Find Work for your skills option, and then select Writing and Translation tab located in the left side of the page to filter the results to only translating jobs. Let us take a look at this Japanese to English translator job opportunity from among the many others on the list. There are a variety of jobs available on this page. You can scroll down and select the ones that you believe are the most suitable in terms of pricing and how much they are willing to pay. There are several opportunities on Upwork, and as you may be aware, this site is trusted by some of the world's largest corporations like Microsoft, Airbnb, and GoDaddy. You may, of course, repeat this process with each of the three websites I've listed if they all worked out for you. You can do this over and over again in order to receive the money you wish. For example, you can translate in HireSign, in Aclaro, and even Upwork. The result is that the more work you complete, the more money you will earn. I'd say this is precisely how all of these people from all over the world are making their living. This is something that most individuals do on a daily basis without thinking about it. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.